Hey, I just want to give you guys a look at our universal mounting plate. So when you get the universal mounting plate, you get the plate itself, you get the mounting hardware to mount it to the universal block that it comes with, and then you get some basic mounting hardware to be able to bolt some of your tools to the plate. So like I said, it comes with this mounting block here, which can be clamped in a vise once it's bolted onto the plate, or if you want to, you can weld it onto your own mounting pedestal or place that you want to put your tools. So after that, we have the same block, which is welded on our swivel mount to be able to put it in our swivel receiver, which then has a available wall mount or bench mount. And then from there, we also have a pedestal that you can bolt the plate to, which you can then bolt to the floor, or you can bolt it to our optional rolling pedestal base to be able to give you some mobility around your shop. So from there, the universal mounting plate, when on the swivel mount here, you can rotate it different directions to be able to give yourself some versatility wherever you have it mounted. And then this plate holds a few different tools with the basic patterns that are on here, including all of the different Beverly shear sizes, the throatless shears and the slitting shears. And then also it'll hold the Roper Whitney number 16 and number 17 punches. From there, it will also accept the Lancaster shrinker stretchers, so you can stagger these on here to be able to give yourself a nice mounting plate to be able to use these and then easily take them on and off. And so from there, if you do have some other tools that you'd like to mount to it, some of these holes may line up, but because it's a universal plate, it's real easy to just drill your own holes in to be able to mount your own tooling on this plate. With the plate, we do have a basic diagram that shows you the tools that do bolt to it as it is. And then, like I said, from there, you can mount your own tools to it. So for more information on this universal mounting plate, visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Give us a call and we can answer any questions you have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.